Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money from Wise to Gcash. Now, Gcash is an electronic wallet. Now, because I am from the UK, this is not available in my country, but I'm going to try and explain it to you as fast as possible. Pick how much money you would like. Let's say I want the same currency. Continue. Let's say I want to pick myself. Now, this has only three options: ACH, wire, or Swift bank transfer. Now, if we go back and we do the international and we continue, we have myself. It only has the normal bank details, but there is a button which is called the local bank or the e-wallet. What you want to do is press on the e-wallet. And what it will show you a list of electronic wallets. To show you better, e-wallet Wise list. Now, if you go, you can go into which currencies, and it will show you all of the currencies that you can add. But also, you can add to 10 e-wallet comparisons. So you have Wise, Maybank, you have Public Bank, which are different providers. Now you have different e-wallets such as TNG Card, GrabPay, Boost, WeChat, May, BigPay, Alipay, PayPal, Settle. So you have all of these different e-wallets. So one of them is also called Gcash. So you're going to press onto the Gcash, add in all of your different details, and in that way you can send money from Wise to Gcash. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.